Hello guys, question number 14 of the free verbal ability practice series, Parajumbles. Count Rumford is perhaps best known for his observations on the nature of heat. Okay. He undertook several experiments in order to test the theories of the origin of frictional heat. The fact that he undertook several experiments is again a general statement and not any specific instance. So it is likely that 1A is a concrete pair. Count Rumford is perhaps best known for his observations on the nature of heat, and he undertook several experiments to test the theories on the origin of frictional heat. Okay, but let's read further. Let's only call it a possible pair for now and not a definite pair. Sentence B, according to calorists, the heat was produced by the caloric squeezed out of the chips in the process of separating them from larger pieces of metal. An alien sentence, I don't know where it comes from, so let's keep reading. Lavoisier had introduced the term caloric for the weightless substance heat and had included it among the chemical elements along with carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Now C introduces the term caloric and B talks about calorists. So one thing is certain, C will precede B, it cannot come after it. I'm not calling them concrete pair, I'm only calling them ordered pair. C will precede B, but the CB do not have to come together. So they are not a concrete pair, but they might be, they are definitely ordered pairs. Okay. In the ammunition factory in Munich, Rumford noticed that a considerable degree of heat developed in a brass gun while it was being bored. So it is a specific instance now. It will definitely come after the general statement A, but at what spot we don't know. So let's see. Also note sentence 6 says Rumford could not believe that the amount of heat generated could have come from the small amount of dust created. This sentence also describes the same specific instance being described in D. Therefore, D6 is a concrete pair, which leaves us with sentence A. Sentence A cannot interfere C and B. It cannot come here either because this he refers to Count Rumford and not this guy Lavoisier or calorists for that matter. Therefore, 1A, which we earlier thought was a possible pair, is indeed a pair, a concrete pair. Correct answer, A, C, B, D. So these are the concrete pairs D6, 1A, which helped us, and an ordered pair CB that helped us. Hope you enjoyed watching it, guys. Keep sharing, keep liking, subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. All the best. Cheers to learning.